called the precipice at Nazareth. That's where they threatened to throw Christ off the hill. And he gave this wonderful reflection on marriage. And he echoed the words of Paul VI, how we need to meditate on the Holy Family and learn from them, go to school with them. And he said that marriage has an essential role as a building society. That this is the place, it's the first school of wisdom, and it's the place that trains its members in the practice of virtue. Integral human and spiritual formation of children, that's given to the couple. It's the fundamental building block and stability of society. So, it's so important, that it's indispensable.
I think it's helped to stabilize. I think in some ways kind of flounder. They said, what does the Lord want me to do? What does the Lord want me to do? And then, when I met Mary Rose, and I know that personally, as a young man, it's helped to stabilize me into the good person, and I get this visual of Ryan kind of wandering aimlessly in the streets at night. I did. I'm here, I'm over here, and this, and a light goes off. Yeah, it was like that, really. And everything's in order now.
Yeah.
And God confirmed that. Well, congratulations. That's awesome.
And the fact that it's a sacrament means that it's blessed by God and taken up in divine love. That it's a share in the love of, as you mentioned, or as Christine mentioned, the love that Christ has for his bride, the church. That is now